Hey, what's going on, guys? It's Nick from Affordable Credit Restoration of Louisiana. Today I wanted to talk about a little touchy subject, CPNs. I had a lot of people call me and ask me, do I do funding for CPNs? Will I put Tradelines on a CPN? Short answer, no. The long answer, I'm going to tell you why right now. CPNs, they're legal to have, but you can't use it for any credit application. I'll say that again. It's legal to have, but you cannot put that on a credit application because that is not your social security number. Two, a lot of times some of these people, they'll say, oh, we have a CPN package for $150. You have to ask them, where did they get that CPN? The attorneys that do them, I personally don't know any, but you have to ask them. You gotta know, you gotta find out where they get this CPN number from. And I use that term with air quotes around it. A lot of times what'll happen is, it'll be a person selling stolen baby social security numbers, and that's not cool. Because we had an incident like that in Baton Rouge, Louisiana, with a guy named Donald Baptiste. That's what he was doing. He was stealing people's identity, applying for credit cards and all this other stuff, auto loans and this, that, and other, laundering the money. All along, he's selling babies, newborn baby social security numbers that were stolen. There's a lot of things that, you have to be wary of just dealing with the credit industry. Because even you adding somebody as an authorized user who has a CPN, that can get you in trouble too, because you'll be considered an accomplice. Don't believe me, I'll put a couple links in the description. It's a lot cheaper just to get your credit repaired, as opposed to you buying this little flimsy CPN number that you can't really do nothing with, especially nowadays. The game has changed. You might as well just go ahead and get with somebody like me who can fix your credit. Get you to the point where you can get those high dollar trade lines and really just help you meet your goal. That's a real quick, video on my thoughts on CPNs and really the reality of a CPN. I don't do them at all, once again. And two, just leave that alone. Just leave that alone. Just focus on your social security number, your own personal credit profile. If you have a business, focus on your business credit along with your personal. Other than that, it's not worth the trouble and the hassle. Not having a number that's not even, you can't really use like talking about it anymore. That's a quick video. My number is 318-623-4179. If you want to get in contact with me about credit repair services, my site is coming soon, preferably this week. I have a site for you guys to look at, different things like that, different resources. I have a couple ebooks available too that I'll be rolling out with in the next couple weeks. So stay tuned, and I appreciate your viewership.